Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha, Srimad Varavara Hunaye Namaha, Srimad Lokarya Mahagurave Namaha. The last Pasuram of Tirupavai, Vanga Kadal Kadainda Madhavanai Kesavanai. It is indeed Andal, Rama, and Krishna's blessings that we've been able to get the fortune of enjoying the Sri Ramayana references in the Tirupavai Pasurams for the last 29 days and the 30th day today. At the outset, it may seem like Tirupavai is all about Krishna Anubhavam. And like we said in the beginning of this series, when we look under the hood, when we open the Vyakyanams, the commentaries, and when we start enjoying the deep meanings and the references, we discover that our acharyas have written these more than 800 years ago, where they have given us so many amazing references to Sri Ramayana. So when we delve into today's Pasuram, Vanga Kadal Kadainda Madhavanai Kesavanai, there aren't any explicit references except for one. And that one is about Ani Puduvai, Vanga Kadal Kadainda Madhavanai Kesavanai, Tingal Tirumugattu Cheirayar Senniranji, Angapparai Kondavatrai, Ani Puduvai Paingamala Thanderiyal. So Andal calls herself as Ani Puduvai Paingamala Thanderiyal. So she is Srivilliputtур's Ani Puduvai. Puduvai means Srivilliputtur. The beautiful Puduvai is Ani Puduvai. Ani Puduvai Paingamala Thanderiyal. So that is Sri Andal. So for Andal, both her parents' house and the house that she got married into both became Srivilliputtur. Alagi Manavada Perumal Nayanar, the Acharya who has written the Arayirappadi Vyakyanam for Tirupavai, says that unlike Sita Pirati, for who Mithila was the parents' house and Ayodhya was the in-laws' house, and unlike Napine Pirati, for who the Kumbha Kulam, her parents were Kumbha, so the Kumbha Kulam and the in-laws' house is the Thiru Aipadi. Unlike that, for Andal, both are Srivilliputtur. That is the only reference that's found in the Vyakyanams, the explicit reference that's found in the Vyakyanams. But due to Sri Rama's grace and Sri Krishna's grace and Andal's grace, one can draw additional references to Sri Ramayanam from just this Pasuram. So the Adiyan apologizes upfront because these are all purely Adiyan's references, and Adiyan apologizes for any mistakes here and request all the elders to kindly correct me with the mistakes that are found in the these references that Adiyan is going to provide. First is Vanga Kadal Kadainda Madhavan. Vanga Kadal Kadainda Madhavan. So Emperuman, he churns the Milky Ocean. When he churns the Milky Ocean, he gets Sita Pirati. He gets Pirati out of it. Thirumangai Alvar says, Vinnavar Amuduna Amudil Varum Pennamudunda Emperumane. That is, he uses the request from the prayers from the Devatas as only a vyajam, as only a reason to churn the ocean. His goal was not to really get the nectar, the amudam. His goal was to get pirati out of it. Vinnavar amuduna. In order for the Vinnavar, the celestials, to get the nectar. Vinnavar amuduna amudil varum pennamudunda emperumane. So he goes after that only because he will get Lakshmi Pirati out of the churning of the ocean. Now, the whole Ramayana, it happens because he goes in search of Sita Pirati all the way to Lanka. Just like how he did the Kadal Kadainda Vrittantam, that is, he does the churning of the ocean for just Pirati. He goes all the way to Lanka just for Pirati. And Madhavan, the name Madhavan refers to Lakshmi's husband. So, Madhavan can also be referred to Sri Rama because he is none other than Sita Raman, and he goes all the way to Lanka only to fetch Pirati. The next reference that we can draw is for Bhattar Biran Kode. Sangat Tamil Malai Muppadum Tappame Ingi Parisurai Irirand Malvarai Tol Sengan Tirumugattu Chelvat Tirumala Engum Tiruvarul Petri Imburuvar Empava is Andal's Palashruti Pasuram. She is Bhattar Biran Kode Sonna Sangat Tamil Malai. She is Bhattar Biran Kode. She refers herself as Bhattar Biran Kode. So she is one who considers Periyarvar, I mean, whose Acharya is Periyarvar, and Periyarvar considers her to be the glory of his clan. So that Periyarvar who does Mangala Sasanam all the time, that Periyarvar who imagines Krishna as his baby and himself as Yashoda and wonders what will happen. And he laments that if Krishna eats so much butter, then it is going to cause um, a stomach upset for Krishna, and that he cannot bear. That Periyarvar is referred to by Andal as Bhatraviran Kodai. She always says that her yearning for Krishna will be fulfilled not because of what she does, but because uh, she's the daughter of Periyarvar. She says, Villi Puduvai Vittu Chittan Kodai. That's how she refers herself. Now here, such Periyarvar also in turn, he says that he has the one daughter, Murumagal Tannai Udayen, உலகம் நிறைந்த புகழால் திருமகள் போல வளர்த்தேன் எம்பெருமான் தான் கொண்டு செங்கன்மால் தான் கொண்டு போனான். I raised a girl, raised her like Lakshmi herself, and the Lord took her away. That's Periyarvar's Pasuram. So when we consider Janaka says, Iyam Sita Mamasuta. Janaka is supposed to be one who does not have any asuya or any jealousy or envy. Even him, when it comes to Sita, he says, Iyam Sita Mamasuta. She is my daughter, Mamasuta. He has that possessiveness about Sita. So Periyarvar says, ஒரு மகள் தன்னை உடையேன் உலகம் நிறைந்த புகழால் திருமகள் போல வளர்த்தேன். I raised her like திருமகள். Janaka says, Iyam Sita Mamasuta. And both of them became the Mamanars or the father-in-laws of Ranganatha. Let's see how. We all know that Andal gets married to Ranganatha. So Periyarvar becomes Ranganatha's Mamanar. Well, it is said that Namperumal is Rama and Namperumal, if Namperumal is Rama, then Janaka becomes the father-in-law for Namperumal. So both Periyarvar and Janaka, they became the father-in-laws of Ranganatha. The next reference that we can draw is Sengan Tirumugattu Chelvat Tirumalar. So Tirumal, that is Emperuman's eyes, they are Chengan. They have lotus-like eyes, red eyes. Now it is said that Sita's eyes are black. She is called as Asitekshana, Karuntadang Kanni. She is called as Asitekshana because she's constantly looking at Rama. And because she's constantly looking at Rama, who is the color of the dark rain clouds, her eyes are red. Similarly, Emperuman's eyes are, Sita's eyes are black. Similarly, Emperuman's eyes are red because of the love that he holds for the Jivatmas and the love he holds for Sita. Sita is just a representative of all the Jivatmas. So, Sengan Tirumugam, that's what he has. And she is called Asitekshana, Karuntadam Kanni. That is another reference to Sri Ramayanam. Sengan Tirumugattu Chelvat Tirumalar, Yengum Tiruvarul Petru Inguruvar Empavai. So, let there be the Lord's grace everywhere and let everybody be happy. That is the Palashruti Pasuram. And this is also a similar Palashruti when it comes to Sri Ramayanam, where it is said that anybody who reads and chants the Sri Ramayanam, who does the Anusantanam of Sri Ramayanam, they will be bestowed the grace of Vishnu. So let us all pray for this grace to be bestowed upon us and to pray for Kainkaryam like Andal wished for, Kainkaryam that does not involve any pleasure for us, but is only for the pleasure of the Divya Tampatis, Andal and Rangamana. And let us pray for service at their holy feet. Andal Trivadigalai Sharanam.